In this video, I've got some blinds here that actually came down, and I'm going to show you how I got them back up. Alright, so here are my blinds here in my kid's room, and he was pulling on them and the thing just came down. So I'm going to show you how I got it back up, and we're going to prevent that from happening again. So here is the box. The basic install on these things is that you hang up these boxes, one on the right, one on the left, and then these two brackets in the middle that offer as support. And you screw those into the studs or the wood backing behind it, not into the drywall directly. And that is the principle of it. Now, as far as the actual blinds go, we've got the whole unit here. And I installed this, like 7 years ago. So that was before my channel, so I'm not able to show you how to install these from scratch. That's not the purpose of this video. But if yours came down, I'm going to show you how to get them back up. It's got this little trim piece too with these little plastic clips. And that will clip onto the top of this part so you can't actually see the metal rail. Right? So we're going to put that on right now, and it just goes over like that. Clip that down. Looks like there's 3 different clips. And you could try to put that on after you put the blinds up. Now these little, you can see these little metal boxes. They should be able to swing up. One side should be able to swing up. And we're also going to put these little, I have just some shim, some little plastic or some little pieces of wood here. And we're going to get those in there because that's going to help it prevent it from sliding around. It's going to be locking it into place a little bit tighter. Now we're going to put the blinds up. We're going to slide one side into the right. Make sure it's on the bracket. You can see there. And then we'll slide the left side in as well. And when we slide that in, we're going to close that box that you saw. There's a little door on the box that closes. Here's that trim piece. And we're going to put these little wood shims up as well. And that's going to create a tighter, there's not going to be any play for it. In other words, not going to be able to wiggle left or right, up or down. It's going to be pretty tight. And so, of course, I had pre-measured those and snapped those off. And they're out of sight, so nobody sees them. And so if he goes to pull on this again, the idea is that it's not going to be able to wiggle or move. It's going to be secured in place. That's the theory anyway. And we'll see how that goes. Hopefully this has helped you out.